Hi, I'm Teacher Abby. I am a nurse by profession and DEFL certified, which equipped me to teach English in a simple, clear, and student-centered way. As a nurse, I've learned how to explain things clearly, listen carefully, and support people. And I bring these skills into my English classes. My classes are simple, student-centered, and comfortable. I help my students organize their ideas when speaking, use the right words and right sentences, say words clearly and correctly. After each class, I always give clear and helpful feedback. I also guide my students patiently, step by step, and help them learn speaking in English with confidence. I am looking forward to seeing you in my class and let's learn English together. Goodbye.